Some big news coming in. The NHRC report submitted before the Kolkata High Court on post-poll violence recommends CBI probe, trials outside West Bengal, court-monitored SIT probe, witness protection scheme, police reforms, monitoring committee and bureaucracy reforms. Here are a number of measures that need to be taken while probing the post-poll violence in West Bengal. The NHRC has now submitted a report before the Kolkata High Court asking for these measures to be implemented at the earliest for fair and free and safe investigation into the post-poll violence. Remember, West Bengal government had asked to quash the plea for investigation into this matter. We're looking at the National Human Rights Commission now coming forward, giving out a report and also setting some guidelines, asking for these guidelines to be put forth while probing this matter. First of all, pushing for a CBI probe, asking for trials to be conducted outside West Bengal, also asking for a court-monitored SIT probe and pushing for witness monitoring committee bureaucracy reforms. These are pointers put forth in the NHRC report recommending a CBI probe into post-poll violence in West Bengal. Here you have it, the National Human Rights Commission report coming forward over post-poll violence in West Bengal. Remember, many people succumbed to the post-poll violence. It was clashes between political parties. A big question on the law and order situation in West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee government have been at the receiving end of criticism time and again for not maintaining law and order. And this time it was a classic example. What happened right after polls, amid polls through the months leading up to the election in West Bengal, many deaths that took place. Political killings allegedly that has taken place in West Bengal without the police initiating action against the accused. These are the allegations. Now the National Human Rights Commission coming forward with a report strictly asking for a CBI probe, urging for multiple measures to be taken, including protecting witnesses, along with some police reforms, monitoring committee, bureaucracy reforms to be carried out while conducting this probe. Also asking for a court-monitored SIT probe and also urging for trials to be taken, trials to be carried out in this case outside West Bengal only to protect witnesses and those associated. All right, on the other side now, we're going to cut across to India Today special broadcast from Varanasi.